Get a feel for the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Explore your world with confidence in this solid, tech-savvy Atlas. It leverages advanced safety and connectivity tech to keep you secure and entertained, while its spacious, comfortable cabin lets you relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. This well-designed Atlas is solidly capable yet connected and comfortable. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.